I don't know what that could be.
I think the bigger ones are coming. Those are little kids? They're little cakes.
That was good. That was like a intermission, and then it was like.
I don't know what that is.
I know that's the cake. It's one of the cakes. That means it's not even there. Here it comes. Big tube's coming. That's one of the cakes. Wait for it. There we go. Big tube's coming.
Yeah!
500's coming up.
The 500s haven't gone
Wait
yet?
for
No.
it.
That was a 500.
Oh, really?
No. No.
What happened?
There we go.
There you go!
Wait till it gets closer to the end. Those 500s got a pretty good spread on them.
It's hard to get them close together.
Good
like a fireworks show
job.
anywhere, it's just automated.
Good job, guys.
Comes another one.
I hear it pop in the background.
I see something smoke.
Yeah, there's definitely flame over there.
I see you.
Guys, is the dock on fire?
Your mom cracks me up.
That seems much to be slower. So that was the new stuff, right?
We're still amateurs. Okay.
That one is like.
Big cake, just sitting around at 500.
I love it! I love fireworks!
So hard. Where's the 900? There it is, 500.
Oh my god, I love it!
500. Yeah. There's a 500.
Woo!
500 was so loud. There it is.
Oh my god.
This is the tube, the big one.
The 900's coming up.
You have 900? Holy shit. How much did this cost?
It's a total of about $600.
Really? I'm loving the 600 right now.
Oh, there's that.
Yeah! Ooh, I like that one.
Okay, that's done.